Hello everyone. Choosing between Fusion 360, Freecad, and Openscad comes down to how you like to work. They all make great 3D parts, but the process is very different for each one. Let's break them down. Most beginners start with Fusion 360. It feels like a modern app with a clean layout and plenty of tutorials online. It's owned by Autodesk, so it has that big company feel. You get amazing features like built-in cam for CNC machining and high-end rendering for pretty pictures. The downside is the cloud-only save system. If your internet goes out or the company changes their free tier rules, you might run into trouble. But for pure speed and ease, it's hard to beat. Freecad is the community-driven alternative. It doesn't require an account or a subscription. It's built by people who want a solid, modular CAD tool that respects your privacy. It uses parametric modeling, which means you define shapes by constraints and dimensions. While it has a reputation for being a bit buggy at times, it has grown into a very capable piece of software. It's the best choice if you want a tool that you truly own and can customize your heart's content. Finally, we have Openscad. They call it the programmer's 3D CAD library. Instead of clicking and dragging, you type commands. For example, you might write a line of code to create a cylinder and another to subtract a hole from it. It's perfect for functional parts like brackets or gears, where dimensions are everything. It's very lightweight and runs on almost any computer. It's not for artists, but for engineers who love logic, it's a dream come true. If you want the industry standard, go with Fusion. For a free and private experience, pick Freecad. If you would rather type in than click, Openscad is your best bet. Happy printing! If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.